Welcome to the demo of Finance module of ebizframeXLenz, a simple-to-use BI-reporting tool. Finance, playing a vital role for the progress of business organizations, which includes planning and effective utilization of the financial resources and making optimum capital structure. This financial module shows various key dashboards to evaluate the financial analytics of the company by its top management. This scorecard offers you a view of financial information to help users to improve cash flow, lower the cost, increase profitability, and deliver accurate financial report on time. Financial performance shows how well a firm can use assets for its primary mode of business and generate revenues. From the performance dashboard, you can look into the breakups of performance figures on variety of parameters based on your analysis window. So, let's say you want to see the performance of the organization in a particular group name. We can further refine by clicking the subgroup sales account, which is the subset of already selected group name revenue. As soon as we select the subgroup, all the respective account name involved in it gets selected automatically, and the unselected buttons turn lighter in shade. This table shows performance of organization in terms of revenue in sales account. We can also refine data month-wise by selecting the month names. This tool provides you with the option of multiple selection, and the corresponding table will show result as per the selections. By clicking the graph, we can zoom and unzoom it. By clicking the top and bottom account button, we can see the dashboard with a graphical representation of group and subgroup on the monthly basis. Views can be changed from bottom to top accounts by selecting the corresponding checkbox. We can change the view of graph by entering the number n as per our requirement. Profitability is used to assess a business ability to generate earning as compared to its expenses and other relevant costs. By placing the cursor on a table, we can see the formula used to calculate the same. We can zoom and unzoom the graph by clicking on it. Leverages shows the use of various financial instruments or borrowed capital such as margin to increase the potential return of an investment. This page shows the information about leverage parameters like debt ratio, debt to equity ratio, and interest coverage ratio. Liquidity shows the ability of a business to convert an asset into cash quickly. This dashboard shows the detailed information of liquidity parameters such as cash ratio, current ratio, sales to working capital, quick ratio, total debtors amount, and cash in hand. Key measure shows all the key parameters which are of highest priority. This dashboard shows the detailed information of key measures such as days inventory outstanding, days payable outstanding, receivable turnover ratio, days sales outstanding, payable turnover, and inventory turnover. Working capital dashboard measures the liquidity risk entailed by growth. It shows how long a firm will be deprived of cash if it increases its investment in resources in order to expand customer sales. Just carefully observe the power this tool provides you with the feature of highlighting and commenting on the issues that needs further analysis. By this dashboard, we can easily explore data for budgeted versus actual expenses. It delivers self-service analytics by selecting various options available in the form of filters and therefore refining data from macro level to micro level. This dashboard button leads us to the information in a graphical format. One-click navigation allows manager to easily drill down from yearly to monthly data. Views can be customized by selecting account names and month names. And the table will show the corresponding result as per the selection. By clicking this button, we can directly reach the dashboard of expense. This is the same dashboard which we saw in the budget versus actual page. Account receivable comes in the form of operating lines of credit and are usually due within a relatively short time period ranging from few days to a year. Aging buckets can be customized as per our requirement. Button on a corresponding graph immediately drills into the data for better predictable trends. We can see the corresponding receivable accounts in a particular country, region, and city. Any area of the problem can be addressed by the ability to combine data from multiple data resources. By entering the value N, we can see the top N receivable accounts with their following details. Account payable dashboard shows the debt that must be paid off within a given period of time. It also shows the default payables which have exceeded the time limit. This dashboard enables business with the power of smarter application as compared to the traditional method, and hence drastically reduces the time to prepare reports. ebizframeXLenz finance module help people to make better decisions, spot new opportunities and avoid risk. Its emailing feature help finance executives to make better data-driven decisions. We can email the current sheet with our comments and highlighted issues. The sheet which we have opened from the email is still working dynamically. We can use it for the further analysis. So go right ahead and feel the power of ebizframeXLenz.